I feel like a mosquito in a nudist colony. Like, I know what I have to do, I just don't know where to begin. Well, hello, I am Erika, I am odd, and as you can tell from the title, I decided to turn my basement into a home gym. So this year for my birthday as a present, my dad decided to help me create a home gym right here in my basement. And with gyms still being closed, majority of the places that we are right now, it's definitely the smart move. So you know what that means, more gym content coming for you. But please sit back, relax, and watch the renovation of my new home gym. I look rough because I just woke up, but we're gonna do this. So the first step in construction for this room in total is going to be the carpet. I don't know if any of you have ever worked out on carpet, but eventually if you sweat enough, the carpet will start to stink, and at one point, no amount of Febreze will help your situation. I fixed my hair. So the main goal today for me is going to get the carpet up because I need to see what's under it. If it's concrete, we're golden. If there's like laminate underneath it, I gotta do some reevaluation of the construction. But if it's concrete, we're good. I'll rip the whole thing up and then we can take care of these panels. It's all my gym equipment in the bathroom, never mind that. We can take care of these panels off of the walls. Finally. So update, I had my dad come home with a bunch of basically carpet cutting tools. We were able to get the carpet off. I didn't show that process just because, number one, a fairly quick one, and number two, we ended up finding what we think is like a little bit of mold or mildew under the carpet. It hasn't been lifted in at least 30 years. So now I'm basically gonna go change into some more breathable clothes because it is hot down there, and then take care of cleaning the floors and basically start the demolition process. It has been a minute since I've been able to check in, but basically the entire process of putting the drywall, spackle, and everything in the tape and patching holes was just really messy, and I didn't want to film it while I was doing it because I wanted to get it done as fast as possible so I can move on to the next steps. So we were able to build a little wall here for the pipe that was in there and got the 2x4s off. But now the plan is to clean up, and I basically am going to prime. I know that I need more paint because I underestimate constantly, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime the walls, and then while that primer dries, I'm gonna probably go get more paint. But it's a rainy day, so it's sort of a perfect day to just get this all done. It's now time to get the equipment set up. That is way too close. Okay, cue equipment montage setup. Go. Ta-da! This is it. This is my gym. I did it. I am so happy that this gym is finally done and up and running so that I can start making more workout videos for you guys and showing you more of my regular workout routines. I know this video is probably a little bit short for what it was, but this process did take about a month and a half of work. So I am so unbelievably happy that it's all just finally done and I can use it and I can train people here, and I'm just so happy. And I'm so happy that
my dad is able to use it and that I had him to help me create all of this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This was, in fact, the super secret project that I was talking about. But now it's finally done and you got to see it and I'm so excited. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at Erika Is Odd, same way it's spelled here. Be sure that you subscribe because there's gonna be way more workout videos now for those of you that like those. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.